Hello everyone. Let me walk you through the GregMed vocab list, vocab mountain. So first is bound. Abound means be present in a large quantity. Yep. And second one is amorphous. Amorphous means lacking structure and unclear. Third one is austere, strict and stern in character. Austere means strict and stern in character. Belie, give a false impression of or mask. Give a false impression of or mask. That's a belie. Capricious, having varying mood. Fickle, mercurial. That's capricious. Cerebral, related to the brain. Congenial, likable and friendly, often due to shared interest. Congenial means likable and friendly, often due to shared interest. Another meaning of congenial is enjoyable because it aligns with one's tendencies. Yeah, enjoyable. Conspicuous, easily noticed, obvious. Cursory, lacking effort without care. Cursory means lacking effort without care. Daunting, scary, frightening, seeming impossible. Scary or frightening, seeming impossible. Daunting means scary or frightening, seeming impossible. Defy, look up to someone or something as a god. Defy means look up to someone, something as a god. Didactic, meant for teaching, educational, sometimes in a condescending manner. Didactic means meant for teaching, educational, sometimes in a condescending manner. Disseminate, distribute or circulate broadly. Disseminate means distribute or circulate broadly. Feasible, likely to be achieved, practical. Feasible means likely to be achieved, practical. Flout, break a rule without a guilt. Flout means break a rule without a guilt. Homogeneous, composed of similar parts alike. Homogeneous means composed of similar parts alike. Humdrum, boring, unlikely to excite. Humdrum means boring, unlikely to excite. Insipid, without flavor, lacking energy. Insipid means without flavor, lacking energy. Loquacious, likely to talk a lot. Loquacious means likely to talk a lot. Wordy, misanthropic, having a distaste for a human and society. Misanthropic means having a distaste for a human and society. Misnomer, a misleading or inaccurate name. Negligent, lacking care or attention. Lacking care or attention. Negligent means lacking care or attention. Lacking care or attention. Obscuse, excessively submissive to authority. Obscuse means excessively submissive to authority. Placate, decrease someone's anger or others' negative emotion. Decrease someone's anger or other negative emotion. Placate means decrease someone's anger or other placate emotion. Proclivity, a fondness or a liking for something. A fondness or a liking for something. Proclivity, a fondness or a liking for something. Puerile, immature and childish. Immature and childish. Puerile means immature and childish. Immature and childish means puerile. Quixotic, excessively visionary, unfeasible. Excessively visionary, unfeasible. Quixotic, excessively visionary, unfeasible. Quixotic means, yeah, idealistic. Utopian, non-viable. Quixotic means excessively visionary, unfeasible. Spendthrift, someone who spends money recklessly. Spendthrift, someone who spends money recklessly. Taciturn, a few words speaking little. Taciturn means a few words speaking little. Worry, exercising caution, careful. Chary, Adulterate. Adulterate means damaging the quality of. Corrupt. Adulterate means damaging the quality of. Corrupt. Advocate. Support, be in favor of. Support, be in favor of. Adulterate. Someone who support a cause, organization or person. Advocate. Support, be in favor of. Support, be in favor of. Someone who support a cause, organization or a person. Support, be in favor of. Advocate. Advocate means support, be in favor of. Someone who support a cause, organization or person. Someone who support a cause, organization or person. Support, in be in favor of. Advocate. Aggrandize. Enhance one's power or standing. Aggrandize means enhance one's power or standing. Alacrity. Eagerness to do something. Alacrity means eagerness to do something. Ambivalent. Having conflicting emotion, unsure. Having conflicting emotion. Ambivalent means having conflicting emotion and unsure. Ameliorate. Improve a bad feeling or a bad situation. Ameliorate. Improve a bad feeling or a bad situation. Amenable. Receptive to change. Open. Another meaning is responsive to. Yeah. Amenable means uh, receptive to change. Open. Anachronistic, of a wrong time or era. Anachronistic means of a wrong time or era. Audacious, bold, unafraid of risk. Audacious, bold, unafraid of risk. Audacious means rude, exhibiting disrespect. Audacious means rude, exhibiting disrespect, bold, unafraid of risk. Unafraid of risk. Avaricious, greedy, always wanting more. Greedy, always wanting more. Avaricious. Avaricious means greedy, always wanting more. Banal, unoriginal, dull, lacking creativity. Banal means unoriginal and dull, lacking creativity. Benign, harmless, having a little effect. Benign means harmless, having little effect. Kind-hearted, nice. Harmless and having little effect. Kind-hearted, nice. Objective means benign, harmless, having little effect. Little effect. Benign means harmless, having little effect. Brazen, shameless and excessively forward. Brazen means shameless and excessively forward. Calumny, slander and defamation. Calumny means slander and defamation. Candid, honest without a deception. Candid means honest without a deception. Castigate, scold someone harshly. Caustic, hostile and bitter. Caustic means hostile and bitter. Construe, understand something subjectively. Construe means understand something subjectively. Contrite, feeling regretful or guilty. Convoluted, difficult to understand or follow. Covet, strongly desire, yearn for. Covet means strongly desire, yearn for. Craven, lacking bravery, weak need. Craven means lacking bravery, weak need. Decorum, politeness and proper behavior. Decorum means politeness and proper behavior. Deft, highly proficient, skilled. Deft means highly proficient, skilled. Demure, hesitate or object, express doubt. Demure means hesitate or object, express doubt. As a noun, demure means hesitation. Derivatives, based on someone else's work. Derivative means based on someone else's work. Desiccate, dry out, remove all moisture. Desiccate means dry out, remove all moisture. Diatribe, an angry rant, verbal abuse. An angry rant, verbal abuse, diatribe, an angry rant, verbal abuse, incredulous, doubtful and disbelieving, doubtful and disbelieving, incredulous, doubtful and disbelieving, dubious, incredulous, doubtful and disbelieving, ingenious, naive and lacking experience. Ingenious means naive and lacking experience. Abate means decrease in intensity, lessen. Abate means obscure, strong reject, forgo. Obscure means strongly reject, forgo. Renounce, relinquish, forgo, strongly reject. Anomalous, differing from what is normal, atypical. Anomalous, differing from what is normal, atypical. Anomalous, differing from what is normal, atypical. Antipathy, profound hostility or hatred. Antipathy means profound hostility or hatred. Antipathy means profound hostility or hatred. Arcane, comprehended by very few people, secret. Arcane means comprehended by very few people, secret. Arduous, very challenging, needing great effort. Arduous means very challenging, needing great effort. Artless, naive, inexperienced. Plain and simple. Artless means naive, inexperienced, plain and simple. Ascetic, very strict and lacking luxury.
Ascetic.
Ascetic, very strict, lacking luxury, someone who adopt an ascetic lifestyle. Yeah, ascetic, ascetic, very strict, lacking luxury. Osseous, decrease a negative feeling. Osseous means decrease a negative feeling, fulfill a certain desire. Osseous means decrease a negative feeling, fulfill a certain desire.
Assuage.
Assuage, assuage, decrease a negative feeling, fulfill certain desire. Betray, unknowingly disclose or reveal. Betray means unknowingly disclose or reveal. Bucolic, associated with a tranquil or rural life. Also, bucolic means associated with a tranquil rural life. Rustic, pastoral, idyllic, pastoral, idyllic, rustic. Bucolic means associated with a tranquil rural life. Burgeon, quickly increase or grow, skyrocket. Burgeon means quickly increase or grow, skyrocket. Cacophonous, extremely noisy, grating. Extremely noisy, grating, cacophonous. Cacophonous means extremely noisy, grating. Canonize, treat like a god, deeply venerate. Treat like a god, deeply venerate. Canonize. Canonize means treat like a god,
Canonize.
yeah, canonize. Treat like a god, deeply venerate. Beatify, sanctify, exalt. Canonize means treat like a god, deeply venerate. Censor, strong criticize or disapprove. Strongly criticize, disapprove. Censor, strongly criticize, disapprove. Condemn, justice, castigate. Strongly criticize, disapprove. Censor means strongly criticize, disapprove. Sorry guys. Uh, Chicanery means deception to attain a certain goal. Chicanery means a deception to attain a certain goal. Chicanery. Chicanery means deception to attain a
Chicanery.
chicanery. Yeah. Chicanery means deception to attain a certain goal. Coalesce. Bring element together. Unite. Coalesce means bring element together. Unite. Bring element together. Unite. Coalesce means bring element together. Unite. Cogent, persuasive and clear, compelling. Cogent means persuasive and clear, compelling. compelling, persuasive and clear. Content, argue a certain point, view, compete, and they struggle. Content has a three meaning: argue a certain point of view, assert, another meaning is compete, another meaning is struggle or attempt to overcome something. Yeah, that's content. Copious, existing in a great supply, abundant. Cosmopolitan, highly diverse. Sophisticated and urbane, highly diverse, cosmopolitan. Difference, high regard and respect. Esteem, desultory, unplanned without enthusiasm, that's a desultory. Diffident, reserved or shy without confidence. Diffident means reserved or shy without confidence, that's diffident. Dilatory, slow and unhurried, mean to stall. Slow and unhurried, mean to stall. Dilatory. Indolent, sluggish, differing. Slow and unhurried, mean to stall. Dilatory. Equivocate, speak evasively, avoid taking a stance. Speak evasively, avoid taking a stand. Equivocate means speak evasively, avoid taking a stance. Polarize, separate into two opposing groups. Polarize, separate into two opposing groups. Polarize means separate into two opposing groups. Prodigal, carelessly wasteful, extravagant. Carelessly wasteful, extravagant. A person who is excessively wasteful. Carelessly wasteful, extravagant. A person who is excessively wasteful. Verbose, excessively talkative, wordy. Excessively talkative, wordy, that is a verbose. Excessively talkative, wordy, verbose. Abstain, avoid taking part in something. Avoid taking part in something. Abstain. Abstain means refrain, eschew, shun. Avoid taking part in something, that's abstain. Approbation, appreciation towards someone. Approbation means appreciation towards someone. Recognition, commendation, laudable, appreciation towards someone, approbation, that's approbation. Cherish, greatly love or protect something. Greatly love or protect something. Cherish means greatly love or protect something. Corroborate, lend support to, bolster. Bolster, lend support to, bolster. Corroborate, validate, substantiate, reinforce. Lend support to, bolster, corroborate. Disparate, different or contrasting. Disparate means different or contrasting. Different or contrasting. Disparate, different or contrasting. Emulate, emulate. Emulate means imitate someone or something. Emulate means imitate imitate someone or something. Imitate. Emulate means imitate someone or something. Innervate, sap the energy out of someone, fatigue. Sap the energy out of someone, fatigue. Innervate. Ephemeral, extremely short lasting. Ephemeral, extremely short lasting. Transient, fleeting, momentary. Ephemeral. Forbid, excessively energetic and eager. Excessively energetic or eager. Forbid. Garrulous, tending to talk too much. Wordy. Garrulous, tending to talk too much. Wordy. Garrulous. Incendiary, provocative, causing conflict. Incendiary means provocative, causing conflict. Incendiary, provocative, causing conflict. Incendiary means provocative, causing conflict. Inimical, damaging, hostile in manner or tone. Inimical, inimical means damaging, hostile in manner or tone. Intimate, softly suggest or imply. Intimate, softly suggest or imply, that's intimate. Invigorate, to provide energy or vitality to. Invigorate. Invigorate means to provide energy or vitality to. Mitigate, diminish negative feeling or situation. That's mitigate. Diminish negative feeling or situation. Mitigate. Obsolete, no longer useful, outmoded. That's obsolete. Obsolete means no longer useful, outmoded. Opaque, unclear, hard to comprehend. Opaque means unclear, hard to comprehend. Paradigmatic, representing the standard example. Paradigmatic, representing the standard example. Pedantic, overly concerned with the minor details. Pedantic means overly concerned with the minor detail. Placid, calm, free from activities, irritation. Polemical, giving a strong, controversial opinion. Polemical means giving a strong, controversial opinion. That's a polemical. Giving a strong, controversial opinion. That's polemical. Precipitate, cause to happen. Precipitate means cause to happen. Yeah, precipitate means cause to happen. Done quickly or suddenly. Precipitate. Done quickly or suddenly as an adjective that precipitates meaning. Precipitate as a verb cause to happen. Profundity. Great wisdom or intelligence. That's a profundity. Sagacity. Acuity. Acuity. Great wisdom or intelligence. Profundity. Prophetic, able to correctly predict the future. Prescient, prognostic, divinatory, able to correctly predict the future. That's a prophetic. Prudent, wise in decision making. Prudent means wise in decision making. Prudent means wise in decision making. Judicious, judicious, sagacious, shrewd. Prudent, wise in decision making. Punctilious, highly concerned with the details or manners. Highly concerned with the details, manner. Punctilious. Recondite, obscure and difficult to understand. Obscure and difficult to understand, recondite. Obscure and difficult to understand, recondite. Obscure and difficult to understand, recondite. Scrupulous, careful with the details. Scrupulous, careful with the details. Yeah, scrupulous, possessing a moral integrity. Scrupulous, careful with the details, possessing a moral integrity. Possessing a moral integrity. Careful with the details, possessing a moral integrity. Scrupulous, careful with the detail, possessing a moral integrity. Tranquil, peaceful, free from activity. Tranquil means peaceful, free from activity. Vacillate, go back and forth with one's view. Vacillate means go back and forth with one's view. Oscillate. Aloof, not warm or friendly, impersonal. Aloof means not warm or friendly, impersonal. Clangor, a disturbingly loud noise. A disturbingly loud noise. Clangor. A clangor means a disturbingly loud noise. Conventional, adhering to established practices or accepted standard. Adhering to established practices or accepted standard. Conventional. Prosaic, pedestrian. Formulaic. Conventional means adhering to established practices or accepted standard. Debunk, prove a belief or an idea false. Debunk means prove a belief or idea false. Diminutive, exceptionally small in size or stature. Stature is exceptionally small in size. Stature, exceptionally small in size. Stature. Diminutive. Discernible, able to be recognized or understood. Discernible means able to be recognized or understood. Enigmatic, hard to understand, mysterious. Hard to understand, mysterious. Enigmatic. Estranged, estranged, emotionally distanced from someone. Estranged means emotionally distanced from someone. Estranged, emotionally distanced from someone, alienated, detached. Estranged, emotionally distanced from someone. Extravagant, excessive, especially in terms of a cost. Extravagant. Extravagant means excessive in terms of a cost. Extravagant. Excessive, especially in terms of a cost. Extravagant. Fanciful, highly imaginative, unrealistic. Fanciful means highly imaginative, unrealistic. Frivolous, lacking in seriousness or importance, silly. Frivolous means lacking in seriousness or importance, silly, not taking things seriously. Heterogeneous, composed of a varying, diverse elements. Heterogeneous means composed of a varying, and diverse elements. Imperious, having an arrogant or domineering manner. Having an arrogant or domineering manner. Imperious. Imperious means having an arrogant or domineering manner. Impertinent, disrespectful or inappropriate. Irrelevant or unrelated to something. Disrespectful or inappropriate. Impertinent. Irrelevant and unrelated to something as another meaning. Impertinent, disrespectful or inappropriate, or irrelevant or unrelated to something. Invasive, infringing on others' privacy, spreading rapidly and causing harm. Invasive means infringing on others' privacy. Infringing on others' privacy, spreading rapidly and causing harm. Invasive. Irresolute, uncertain or lacking determination. Uncertain or lacking determination. Irresolute, uncertain or lacking determination. Irresolute, uncertain or lacking determination. Irresolute means uncertain and lacking determination. Laudable, loud, sorry guys, laudable, worthy of admiration or praise. Laudable. Lax, not diligent or careful. Casual. Lax means not diligent, careful, casual. Marginalize, treat someone or something as insignificant. Treat someone or something as insignificant. Marginal means treat someone or something as insignificant. That's marginal. Panache, a stylish and confident manner. A stylish and confident manner. That's a panache. Panache. Let's pronounce it.
Panache.
Panache. Stylish and confident manner. Yeah. Flamboyance. Panache. Stylish and confident manner. Confident manner. Plodding. Moving slowly, laboriously. Plodding means moving slowly, laboriously. Plodding means moving slowly, laboriously. Prosaic, straightforward, unoriginal, unimaginative. Straightforward, unoriginal, unimaginative. Mundane, humdrum, pedestrian. Straightforward, unoriginal, unimaginative. Straightforward, unoriginal, unimaginative. Prosaic. Prosaic means straightforward, unoriginal, unimaginative. Remedial, serving to correct or cure something. Remedial means serving to correct or cure something. Remedial. Serving to correct, cure something. Remedial. Remedial means serving to correct or cure something. Restive, demonstrating difficulty in staying still. Demonstrating difficulty in staying still. Restive. Sporadic, happening occasionally and irregularly. Sporadic, happening occasionally and irregularly. Sporadic means happening occasionally and irregularly. Happening occasionally and irregularly. Sporadic. Happening occasionally and irregularly. Sporadic. Stigmatize, label or mark as a disgraceful. Stigmatize. Stigmatize means label or mark as a disgraceful. Yeah. Undermine, weaken or sabotage, often softly. Undermine means weaken or sabotage, often softly. Utterly, completely and without exception. Completely and without exception. Utterly means completely and without exception. Weary, feeling tired or exhausted. Weary means feeling tired or exhausted. Weary, feeling tired or exhausted. Jealous, intensely passionate. Jealous means intensely passionate. Yeah, jealous means intensely passionate, fervent, ardent, fervid. Jealous. Admonish, scold someone seriously. Another, give someone urgent advice. Admonish means scold someone seriously, give someone urgent advice. Scold someone seriously, that's admonish. Give someone urgent advice. Aesthetic, pertaining to beauty or the appreciation thereof. Pertaining to beauty or the appreciation thereof. Ornamental, decorative, stylish, aesthetic, pertaining to beauty or the appreciation of. Affectation, a pretense or show meant to impress other. Affectation, a pretense or a show meant to impress other. Affectation, a pretense or a show meant to impress other. Affectation, a pretense or a show meant to impress other. Affectation, alleviate, lessen the intensity or severity of something negative. Lessen the intensity or severity of something negative. Alleviate, lessen the intensity or severity of something negative. That's alleviate. Lessen the intensity or severity of something negative. Alleviate. Analogous, comparable or similar to. Analogous means comparable or similar to. Parallel. Analogous means comparable or similar to. Bolster, lend support or boost. Bolster means lend support or boost, reinforce, fortify, prop up, bolster. That's the bolster, lend support or boost. Chauvinistic, excessively patriotic or biased in favor of a group or cause. Chauvinistic, excessively patriotic, biased in favor of a group or cause. Excessively patriotic or biased in favor of a group or cause. Connoisseur, connoisseur,
Connoisseur.
connoisseur, connoisseur, a discerning expert in matters of taste, a discerning expert in matters of taste. That's connoisseur, a discerning expert in matter of taste. Dissemble, hide or misrepresent one's true feeling or belief. That's dissemble. Feign, hide or misrepresent one's true feeling or belief. Dissemble. Dogged, demonstrating tenacity and an unwillingness to give up. Demonstrating tenacity and an unwillingness to give up. Dogged, demonstrating tenacity and an unwillingness to give up. Dogged. Dupe, trick or fool something, trick or fool someone, right? Dupe means trick or fool someone. Empirical, based on observation or experience rather than conjecture. Based on observation or experience rather than conjecture. Based on based on experience and observation rather than conjecture. Empirical. Engender, produce or stimulate the development of something. Engender means produce or stimulate the development of something. Produce or stimulate the development of something. Engender, that's the engender. Entitled, assuming oneself to be deserving of a special right or privilege. Assuming oneself to be deserving of a special right or privilege. Entitled, pertinacious, stubbornly holding onto a belief or course of action. Pertinacious, stubbornly holding onto belief or course of action. Pertinacious, stubbornly holding onto a belief or course of action. Pertinacious. dogged, resolute, assiduous, assiduous, stubbornly holding on to a belief or a course of action, pertinacious, presumptuous. Presumptuous means overstepping boundaries, often in an overconfident way. Overstepping boundaries, often in an overconfident way. Presumptuous. Presumptuous. Overstepping boundaries, often in an overconfident way. That's the presumptuous. Overstepping boundaries, often in an overconfident way. Brazen, arrogant, audacious. Overstepping boundaries, often in an overconfident way. Presumptuous. Probity, the characteristics of having strong ethical standard. The characteristics of having strong ethical standards. Probity. Probity. Probity means the characteristics of having strong ethical standard. The characteristics of having strong ethical standard. Probity. That's a probity. The characteristics of having strong ethical standard. Probity. Proliferate. Rapidly increase or multiply in number. Proliferate means rapidly increase or multiply in number. Proliferate. Rapidly increase or multiply in number. Proliferate. Rapidly increase or multiply in number. Spacious. Seemingly reasonable but actually wrong. Spacious means seemingly reasonable but actually wrong. Spurious. Not genuine, bogus, fake. Sham. Spacious. Contrived. Spurious, spacious. Not genuine, bogus, spurious. Subjective. Pertaining to a personal feeling rather than objective reality. Pertaining to a personal feeling rather than objective reality. That's a subjective. Subvert. Undermine or weaken. Typically an authority of some sort. Subvert means undermine or weaken typically authority of some sort. Subvert. Subvert means undermine or weaken typically an authority of some sort. Timorous. Displaying a nervousness, lacking confidence. Timorous means displaying a nervousness, lacking confidence. Tortoise. Marked by numerous twists or turns. Marked by numerous twists or turns. Tortoise means marked by numerous twists or a turn. Overly complicated and long. That's tortoise. Tractable. Easily managed and or controlled. Easily managed or controlled means tractable. Easy to solve or handle. Easy to solve or handle. Easily managed or controlled. Tractable. Transient. Not lasting, enduring, or permanent. Transitory, transient. Ephemeral. Fleeting, evanescent. That's transient. Ubiquitous. Being everywhere at once. Omnipresent. Pervasive, universal. Ubiquitous. Underscore. Emphasize or show the importance of something. Highlight, accentuate. Foreground. Foreground, accentuate. Highlight, emphasize or show the importance of something. Underscore. Banal. Open to bribery or corruption. Banal. Venal means open to bribery or corruption.
Venal.
Venal. Open to bribery or corruption. Grafting. Unscrupulous. Mercenary. Banal. Venerate. Regard with a deep respect or a reverence. Regard with a deep respect or a reverence. That's venerate. Yeah. For this video, I want to wrap up. Wrap up. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.